Hi everyone. So today I have a Kroger grocery haul. I went in to get kale, which I got, but then I found a bunch of markdowns. I spent a total of $73 even, but the little slice of cake was supposed to be free with digital coupon and that did not come off. So I will be contacting them because it was $3.99. So first thing I got were these fried chickens. Whenever I find these, I always grab them because I literally just pop them in the freezer as is. And then kids just come, or whoever wants some fried chicken, they just reheat it in the air fryer. So it gets it back to crispy. My husband will reheat it and then he takes it to work. So great thing to have on hand. My kids love cottage cheese. This was $1.99. This was supposed to be free, but ended up being $3.99. Again, we will be getting our money back on that. Radishes were $1.99. Bananas were 49 cents a pound. And then I'm making zuppa toscana today, so I need a kale, and this was $2 and something. And then I found all these wings on clearance, 6 boxes, from $10 to $5.74. So I grabbed all 6. They will be going straight in the freezer as is. We love wings. We grill them. We put them in the air fryer, put them in the crock pot and make like a broth. They're just delicious all around. I found some pork chops on clearance. Again, I'm just stocking my freezer because barbecue season is pretty much here. Today is rainy. I don't know if you can tell, but you probably can. It is pouring down rain today. I'm actually gonna start the fire. We have a wood burning fireplace in our new house and I'm actually gonna get that going. But then we have like a week straight, almost a week of really nice weather. So I know we'll be grilling. So these will be all going in the freezer and then I'll just pull them out, wash them, season them as I need them. So this is what I got you guys for $73. Keep in mind $4 will be refunded back. And yeah, super excited. I'm super happy I went in. I have a Kroger at this new house. Oh, and by the way, welcome to my first official grocery haul in the new home. I have a Kroger that's even closer, like literally 3 minutes away. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of Kroger hauls. I also have a QFC, which is kind of like Kroger and Safeway put together. I went there yesterday. I didn't do a haul, but I went there yesterday and found a bunch of markdowns as well. They're pretty much like, we use the same card number like for Kroger. So I get gas rewards from there as well. And they have the red sticker markdowns, which is great because Safeway doesn't really have that. But anyway, this is my haul and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And it's short and sweet. Actually, no, I have a Safeway haul coming tomorrow. So I will film that as well and then put this video up. All right, you guys, so my Safeway haul came. I paid $89.37. First thing I got back there was the paper towels because we're totally out and those were on sale. So we grabbed some. The chicken was 99 cents a pound, limit of 2, like 2 thighs, 2 leg quarters, 2 drumsticks. I don't know why they gave me 3 drumsticks. I have to look over that and see, but I ordered 2. And then I got some frozen burritos that were on sale, some gum for the kiddos, and then just some treats, some onions, a cabbage, some parsley. We're gonna be doing a stir fry soon as today. Some cheese, and then they had tea. The organic tea was free. One was free, so I got the energy one. Cucumbers were out of sriracha, and then I got some really delicious looking apples. I got Pink Lady, and then the Sugar Bee apples. And these, I believe, were $2.99 a bag. I think they're like 3 pounds in each bag or something like that. But this is what I got, just under $90. I feel like it's not bad with all the meat and everything. So we're going to be stocked up. And yeah, that's it. It's going to be just a short little video today. I hope you guys enjoyed my 2 grocery hauls in the new home. We've been grocery shopping. I just have not been doing any videos till we settled in. We're still settling in, but now I'm at the point where I can pick up the camera and focus on doing some videos besides just unpacking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. It's totally free. It helps out my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.